people I want on my team. When you pay attention to small everyday behaviors, you start to see something important. Character shows up in the little things long before it shows up in the big ones. The people I want on my team aren't defined by grand speeches or impressive titles. They're revealed in quiet, consistent actions most others overlook. The first person I want is the one who cleans up their table before leaving a restaurant. No one asked them to do it. No one is grading them. And yet, they take a moment to stack the plates, gather the trash, and leave things a little better than they found them. That small act signals respect for people, for shared spaces, and for the idea that someone else's job still deserves consideration. It tells me this person doesn't walk through the world assuming everything is someone else's responsibility. They take ownership even when it's optional. The second person I want is the one who notices the dirty microwave or the forgotten leftovers in the office refrigerator and cleans it. This is a different level of character. There's no audience here, no social reward, and often no recognition at all. It's a thankless task, and yet they do it anyway. That tells me they are proactive. They don't wait for instructions or complaints. They see a problem and quietly fix it. People like this raise the standard of any environment they're in, not by talking about it, but by acting on it. They're the backbone of functional teams because they handle what others ignore. The third person I want is the one who steps forward at the office birthday party, cuts the cake, plates it, and starts serving others. It seems simple, even trivial, but it's not. In that moment, they're reading the room, recognizing hesitation and choosing to act. It takes a mix of awareness, initiative, and humility. They're willing to be visible, to take responsibility, and to do something that benefits everyone else without needing credit. That's quiet leadership. Not loud, not performative, just effective. Individually, these actions might seem minor. Together, they paint a clear picture of the kind of people who make teams work. They are considerate, proactive, and willing to step in when something needs to be done. They don't wait to be told. They don't assume it's beneath them. And they don't need recognition to do the right thing. Those are the people I want on my team. Not because they clean tables, scrub microwaves, or serve cake, but because of what those actions reveal. When bigger challenges come, these are the same people who will step up, take ownership, and make things better without being asked. And that's the difference between a group of individuals and a team you can count on.